Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi, and in this video we are going to solve few problems of exercise 1.2, and for more problems do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and also share with your friends. So let's get started with the question. We're going to solve exercise 1.2 and question number 4. So we are supposed to find the rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So it is really hard to find the rational numbers between these two numbers. So we are going to make the denominators greater and same in both the cases so that it becomes a little easier to find the rational numbers between them. So let us say we are going to make the denominator equal to 50. So what is the number? If we multiply with 5, it will give us the product as 50. Of course it is 10, and if we multiply 225 times, we'll get 50 as the answer. And we have to multiply the same number, whatever we are multiplying in the denominator, we have to multiply the same number with the in the numerator so that the value doesn't changes. Now we are going to multiply -2 10 times and 5 10 times so that it becomes -20 by 50, and the same thing we are going to do with this, but we are going to multiply with the different number so that both the denominators become same. So we are going to multiply 25 times, so 1 times 25 and 2 times 25, that is giving us 25 by 50. So now it becomes easy to find the rational numbers between these two numbers. These two numbers are nothing but these two itself. If you just cancel out, that is 10, 2 times and 5 times, this is 1 time and this is 2 time, you'll get the same number. So alright, we will write down the 10 rational numbers. So what can be the 10 rational numbers between -20 by 50 and 25 by 50? That can be, we can start it from -19 itself, but I have taken from -18. So -18 by 50, -16 we can take, -17 by 50 we can take, -15 by 50 have taken. You can also take 14, 13, 12, 11 and so on, but I have taken just a random values between these two numbers. That is still 20 by 50. So you can see them, they all will lie between these two numbers itself. So now we will move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers. Here they have mentioned how many rational numbers you are supposed to find. So they have mentioned 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3, and between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So how do you find it? You are just going to follow the same procedure. You're going to make the denominators same so that it becomes easy to find the rational numbers between them. So we can let's say we are going to make the denominator equals to 16. So what is the number if we multiply with 2? The product will be 60. That will be 20, I guess. Yes. So if we multiply 2 20 times and 3 20 times, we get 40 by 60, and the next number 4 by 5, if we multiply 4 12 times and 5 12 times, we get 48 by 60. Similarly, how we found the rational numbers in the previous question, we are going to find it. Here we have to find only 5 rational numbers. We are going to write 41 by 60, 42, 43, 44, 45 by 60. We can write it till 47 by 60. It doesn't matter, but they have specifically asked only for the 5 rational numbers, so we are going to write only 5 rational numbers. We'll move on to the next question. We have -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So here again we are going to make the denominator same, so we can make it 6. Yeah, they have asked only 5 rational numbers, so if we make the denominator 6, it will be easy to find out only 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. So we can multiply this 2 3 times to get 6 in the denominator, and this 3 2 times to get 6 in the denominator, and of course we have to multiply the same number in the numerator also so that the value doesn't changes. So -3 by 2 is equals to -3 into 3 divided by 2 into 3, which is equals to -9 by 6. And similarly we are going to do it for the next number also. 5 into 2 divided by 3 into 2, that is 10 by 6. Now we are going to write down the numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. We can start it from minus 8 itself, but I have taken from minus 1 by 6. I have just taken the random values between these two numbers. So 1, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. You can take it 9 by 6 also. But yes, this is what I have taken. Now I'll move on to the next question. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Let us make the denominator same. Say 24. So if we make the denominators equals to 24, of course the numerator also changes. So I'm gonna multiply the denominator 6 times so that it gives us 24 as the product, and also the numerator changes to 6. Okay, fine. So we'll move on to the next one. 1 by 2. 1 time 12 and 2 times 12 is equals to 12 by 24. So let's write down the numbers or values or rational numbers between these two numbers, that is 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. If we write down, we get between 7 by 24, like 8 by 24, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So this is exactly how many values you get between these two numbers. So we have solved fourth and fifth question in this video. In the coming videos, we'll be solving more problems. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And also, thank you for watching Learn with Sumi.